Hey y'all, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a really quick clip on how I got this effortless, loose, wavy look on this lace closure unit that I created, which can be worn as a side part or a middle part. So first off, you will need a wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb, an alligator clip, a medium-sized barrel curling iron, and a medium-sized flat iron. I created this unit with 3 Foreign Beauty Malaysian body wave bundles and a 20-inch lace closure unit. The size of the closure is a 5x5. The bundles come in a dark brown, which I colored them jet black. First, you will need to comb through all of the hair and make sure it's detangled, and then start with small sections. I am using a T3 barrel curling iron. I can't remember the exact size, but I can leave the link below on where to get this exact curling iron. And I have the heat setting on the 4th light, which is the second hottest heat setting, or the second highest heat setting. You take each small section and you're curling away from your face. Please excuse the extra hair hanging from underneath my wig. My hair is not braided down all the way. I just wanted to do this to help you guys out really quick on how to get this look while at home. So you're just taking small sections and moving upward as you curl. When you curl, you are curling backwards away from your face. While curling, you can hold the hair on the barrel for about 20 or 30 seconds just to make sure that the heat is evenly distributed, and then just drop the curl. While curling, I like to, kind of press through the hair as I'm curling just to make sure it's all smooth and together. Again, this is just for demonstration purposes to help you guys out. Normally, with a unit, I would just put it on a mannequin and style it that way. But for those of you who don't have a unit, maybe you have an install, this is just to help you guys out to be able to do a quick curl while you're at home. Okay, so now that I am at the top of that side, I am going to smooth out the top part with my FHI flat iron, and I have the heat on 450 degrees. Remind you, this is a lace closure, so it's fine to go over that same area a few times with the flat iron, but if you have a natural leave out, I do not recommend you passing over your hair once, maybe twice. That's it, because you don't want to put any heat damage on your hair. Now that we are on the other side, just continue to remember that we are curling away from the face, because you want all your curls to flow in the same direction. Excuse my edges, I literally just put a cap on just so I could throw the wig on and do this tutorial really quick. Again, we are at the top, and if you have a natural leave out, just try not to pass over your hair 1 or 2 times because you do not want any heat damage on your hair. Okay, so now that we are finished curling, you will now need to get your wide tooth comb and get ready for the comb out. So you're just combing through all of the hair, and I normally just play around with it with my fingers or whatever until it falls exactly how I want it to fall. So a lot of times with lace closures, they have like these little short annoying hairs that like to stick up. So I'll just take my barrel curling iron and kind of smooth that down. I would normally use a flexible holding spray to keep it in place, but I didn't have it at the moment, so. So there you have it, the finished look. It's so pretty, y'all. Don't mind me the rest of the video. I was just feeling myself because I had been walking around the house looking like who did it and why. And now I'm looking all cute just to go nowhere, but I just wanted to help you guys out on how to curl your hair like this at home. Also, be on the lookout for another video that I will be posting that will show you how to tie your hair up at night with this look and how to maintain this look. Thank you again, guys, for tuning in. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Check out the links below for all the items that I used in this video.